Hi, welcome back to Setup Snipers. Today I want to do something different apart from the shorts. This is my first try to make a recap or review video. So let's review today's ES session. Quite raw video, I would say, and look at some potential trade opportunities that develop throughout the day. I would be using the replay feature in TradingView. So let's get started. Bar number one, a strong bullish bar closing at its high, but testing the range over here from yesterday. It has been a range price action, if you see, testing the lows, testing the highs. Let's see what develops further. Bad follow through, nothing interesting for me yet. Testing the EMAs, testing the lows, another strong bullish bar. Could be a possible second leg for bar number one, as bar number one is quite strong. Buyers would have expected a similar leg, so they might have got this. But again, testing the highs. People who take mean revision trades or reversal trades would have got lucky over here. Testing the EMA. Two bear bars, pretty strong. The possibility they can get another leg down of its own. That could have been like, and here we have an outside up bar. 3 touches down of the range. A follow through bar on bar number 12, but a doji bar. Pretty decent bullish bar. 3 consecutive bars breaking above the swing high. Maybe a breakout on the lower time frames. So buyers may be interested to take a long trade on close of this bar, or probably buyers below bar number 13. I would be interested if we pull back a bit and then shoot back up. There we have the pullback. That interests me because a strong bullish channel, the first reversal or break of this trend line usually is a failure. So that means there's very low probability of the first pullback getting a follow through, and we might get another leg in the same direction of the trend prior to this. That looks decent. There, at this point, the odds shifted slightly in the favor of buyers. The market followed through and produced a reasonable move. Currently breaking out of this whole range, but the bars are not proportional, I would say. Some are small, some are big. Not all bullish bars. Here we have a pullback. Again, considering this leg up, first pullback, the possibility of a failure. However, these bars with 19 and 20, 21, they have lower highs, and the bar number 22 just broke this trend line, so a possibility of another leg down, or let's say a second leg for bars 19 to 21. Well, this is again developing into a tight trading range. Not interested. I prefer to trade breakouts. However, these kinds of consecutive bars, from my back testing, I have realized that they give some kind of second leg, as it's been taught in Al Brooks trading or from Ali Moin Afshari's videos. He always bets on second legs. We have 4 bars with lower highs, and this is the first bar which goes above the highs. So possibility of sellers above, we could get another leg down. A good bearish bar, bar number 30. A follow through bar for bar number 30. Again, low of the trading range. I would be really interested if we get a breakout of this trading range with a candle closure, a bearish closure, and a follow through. Tight trading range. Pretty decent bar, closing below these lows. If you get a follow through bar, there we have a follow through bar. That would interest me because it is closing below, I think, let's say almost 18 bars. Potential short entry. There's a possibility of another leg down, some kind of measured move down. That's a pretty decent bar, good for the bears. Odds are these 3 candles or this push down could get a second leg of its own. Another bearish bar, but a doji bar. Odds are sellers are above bar number 39. The first bullish bar after 6 or 7 bars. Bar number 44 is a breakout of this range or channel. So we had a spike, a channel, and again a breakout of this channel. A follow through bar on bar number 45. Potential shorter entries below bar number 45. Testing the lows of the range, again breaking out of the range. 5 consecutive bars. The bullish bar. Odds are more sellers above bar number 49. Again a tight trading range, as we are testing the lows of the range. Most of them are overlapping bars. Testing the EMA on bar number. The first time testing the EMA on bar number 58. Possibility of sellers above bar number 58, 59, 60 did move above the EMA, but quickly turned over by bar number 62 and 63. Testing the lows again. Small bars, overlapping bars, nothing interesting. Looks promising. Bar number 76, 77, 77 breaking out of the range, and as well as the EMA after 3 or multiple touches of this range bottom. A follow through bar on bar number 79 would be interesting for bulls. So yeah, that concludes the day, and there were some potential possible long entries and what triggered them, and short entries and what triggered them. What would you have taken over here? Thanks for watching. Please leave a like if you'd like me to make such videos in future.